A long time ago, this lake was full of floating logs, but now it's a magical 45-acre lake surrounded by super tall trees and beautiful sounds of nature. Can you believe all of this right here is in Texas? It's like a secret paradise waiting for you to explore. Welcome to Davy Crockett National Forest, where the spirit of adventure meets the serenity of nature. Arriving at Ratcliffe Lake Recreation Area, we headed to our campsite to offer more than just a place to rest our heads. It was a sanctuary from the chaos of everyday life. With spacious surroundings and our own private fishing spot, we were in the embrace of the peaceful Texas forest.
Au-dessus des vieux volcans, glisse tes ailes sous le tapis du vent. Voyage, voyage, vole dans les hauteurs.
Every step we took, every breath we drew, it felt like we were discovering a new corner of paradise.
Au regard de l'océan. Voyage, voyage, plus loin que
Ready?
la vie et le jour.
Oh, good kid.
Voyage dans l'espace inouï de l'amour. Voyage, voyage sur l'eau sacrée d'un fleuve indien. Voyage et jamais ne reviens. Sur le Gange ou l'Amazone, chez les Blacks, chez les Sikhs, chez les jaunes. Voyage, voyage dans tout le royaume. Sur les dunes du Sahara, des îles Fidji au Fujiyama. Voyage, voyage, ne t'arrête pas. Au-dessus des pas.
The abundance of life beneath the surface serves as a reminder of the vibrant ecosystem that thrives within these woods.
I got a fatty. Catfish.
Looks like a bass
No, it's a catfish, dude. Look, see?
Oh, yeah. As the day fades into night, the forest comes alive with the sounds of nature. From the crackling of the fire to the rustling of the leaves, it's a melody that soothes the soul and ignites the spirit of adventure. Inside our tent, with the temperatures dipping into the lower 40s, we rely on our buddy heater to keep us and our senior dog Knox comfortable throughout the night. The gentle glow of the string lights adds a touch of magic to our surroundings, casting shadows that dance across the fabric walls. Davy Crockett National Forest. It's a secret paradise waiting to be explored. Come and discover the magic yourself. And if you're looking for more Texas camping spots, check out our other videos for ideas and motivation for your next outdoor adventure. Embrace the call of the wild. Let's venture into the unknown together.